Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Roblox voice chat louder and improve your microphone volume. So, if other players are difficult to hear, or your own voice sounds too quiet, here are a few settings you can check. First, open a Roblox experience that supports voice chat. Open the in-game menu and go to Settings. If your version of Roblox gives you an option to choose an input device, make sure your actual microphone is selected instead of leaving it on default. Also check your output device and make sure Roblox is sending audio to the headphones or speakers you actually use. Next, check the main Roblox volume. Increase the volume if other players are too quiet. However, remember that this can also make the rest of the game louder. If the game you're playing has separate music or sound effect controls, try lowering those while keeping voice audio easy to hear. This can make other players much easier to understand during voice chat. Next, let's check your Windows microphone settings. Open the Start menu, search for Sound Settings, and open it. Scroll down to the Input section and select the microphone you're using. Increase the microphone input volume if your voice is too quiet. You can start with a high level and test your microphone. If your voice becomes distorted or clips, lower the volume slightly until it sounds clear. Then return to Roblox and test voice chat again. If your microphone still sounds quiet or has too much background noise, another optional method is to use SteelSeries Sonar. Open SteelSeries GG and go to Sonar. Under the microphone section, select your actual microphone as the input device. You can then use the microphone EQ and other audio controls to improve the way your voice sounds. You can also enable Clearcast AI noise cancellation if you have background noise from things like fans, keyboards, or other sounds in your room. Don't set the noise reduction too aggressively, because this can sometimes make your voice cut in and out. Use the microphone test inside Sonar and adjust the settings until your voice sounds clear and natural. Once you're finished, go back to Roblox. Set your microphone input to SteelSeries Sonar microphone if that option is available. Also make sure your output device is still set to the headphones or speakers you want to use. Now join voice chat again and test the volume. If you're mainly having trouble hearing other players, increase your listening volume and reduce unnecessary game sounds. If other players are having trouble hearing you, focus on your microphone input volume and microphone settings instead. And that's how to make Roblox voice chat louder and improve your voice chat audio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.